Hello everyone, welcome to my another vlog. Here's my black coffee. So currently I'm watching Sausage Party Foodtopia series and I'll give you its review. It's time to go to school. So I'm in school and today is going to be quite a working day because we have to check board examination copy through online screening method, and which is very important because it decides that are we going for a final examination copy checking or not. So it's going to be a big day. This online screening method actually tests that whether we are capable of checking the copies of board examination. It's just a demonstration test that which teacher is capable of checking the copies and giving the right marks to the allocate questions, and which is quite required a well knowledge about the subject. So it's going to be a really big day. Back to home. तो आज ऑनलाइन स्क्रीनिंग कॉपीज चेक करी और एक नया एक्सपीरियंस मिला. So I have just completed the Sausage Party Foodtopia series. Before giving any kind of a review, let me just tell you who are the showrunner of this show, and their name is Seth Rogen and Evan Goldberg. And if you are familiar with their work, you might know that what kind of a wild and out of the box kind of a series that they made. And not just series, if you see their movies and series or any kind of work that they have made, it is so wild and so obnoxious that you can't even imagine how can someone write these kind of things. And same goes with this animation series, because you always thought that animation series or animation kind of work related to kids, but not with this series. I must tell you, you have to stay away your children from these series. Not always, but they needs to be grow to understand and to cope up the kind of things they have shown in the series, such as wildest of wildest things, like they have abusive language, they have talked about and shown uh, doing stuff that is illegal, but the way they have shown those kind of things is so much fun and so much interesting with a comedy punch that every joke lands. And if you ever known with these names, Seth Rogen and Evan Goldberg, in Hollywood, it is said that when they write something, they write while having on high, like high, yes, high. Then they only write, but still their writing is so on point that you can't even stop yourself to die with laughter. It is that much good. So I highly recommend to go, and you should all watch Sausage Party Foodtopia. First go with movie, just around 1 hour 20 minutes, and after that you can go for 2 seasons of Sausage Party Foodtopia. It will be worth watching, and you will see that animation is not just for kids. It's every second will be worth watching for you guys. When I started this series, I thought I'll give it a go for it on mocktail, but now no, it deserves to be perfection. In animation, you are going beyond your limits and showing something, those kind of things that we can't even imagine, because animation is a niche genre and still you manage to those kind of things which will be not acceptable to all. जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, वैसे भी एनिमेशन को इतने कम लोग देखते हैं, बट उसमें भी उसे 18+ बनाना और साथ ही साथ वो फन भी होना. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ कैश ग्रैब, इट्स एक्चुअली अ वर्थ वॉचिंग सीरीज बिकॉज इट मेड विद द राइट इंटेंशन. इट स्टेज विद यू एंड द क्रिएटर्स वर एक्चुअली enthusiastic about their product, and you should go and watch Sausage Party Foodtopia. So it's my workout time. I'll start with my running and then some workout. Let's go. As you can see, I'm sweating a lot. Running is completed. So I've completed my workout for today. But before ending the video, just let me know how was my review about the series. And if you like it, just please give me a big thumbs up and drop a comment that you really actually like my review about the Sausage Party series. I don't know how much I have given a good review about that, but the feeling that I get after watching that series, it's impeccable. Because in today's time where we see any kind of a series or movie, it feels like a set pattern of some things, like there will be a protagonist, antagonist, and there must be a comedic situation, there must be an action sequence. But pull out a series where a comedy blend with a perspective of food is something that I haven't imagined yet. And after witnessing it, it is actually one of my favorite series till date. But there one condition: it's not meant for everyone. It is not meant for people who are sensitive about jokes which are uncomfortable and with some double meaning content in it, or something a bit extra edgy. Those who are comfortable with it, they can 100% go for it and they will enjoy it through and through. So I hope you like my review and my today's workout and my vlog. So on that point, if you like my video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, whatever you want. If you don't want to, no worries. But I would say it was a really good day because today I've learned something new in my job, and I have watched really very good series from back-to-back 2 days, and yeah, I'm happy today. So like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.